Hey guys, this is Dipu. Welcome to Tech Lab. Today I am going to show you guys how you can create a USB Windows installer. Some of you guys have been asking me to create a video on how to create a USB installer. So let's do it. After a few words from our sponsor, XeonBD.
XeonBD is a well-known web hosting company based in Bangladesh. If you are looking for a very fast SSD web hosting service, look no more. XeonBD web hosting is very affordable and they come with a lot of features. So go and check them out. The link is given in the description below.
First, copy the link from the video description below. Open the link and download the software. Wait for the download to complete. After download is complete, go to your download folder and open up the software. Extract the file in your desired folder. After the extraction is done, open the folder and open up the software. I'm going to open 64-bit version of this software because my Windows is running at 64-bit. Now select your desired USB drive. Auto format. Select the format and open the ISO file. Okay. Now start. Yes. The process has been started and now wait for it to finish. The job is done. Now you have successfully created a bootable USB Windows installer. Have fun. So there you have it. You can create USB Windows installer by this method very easily. That was all for today. If you dislike this video, you can hit that button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed and ring the bell icon. See you in the next one.